Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are introducing the Basic Plus mechanic lathe. Our mechanic lathes are characterized by their compact design, robust construction and easy handling. The Basic Plus is therefore particularly suitable for flexible individual production and is present in most repair or training workshops. The heavily ribbed machine frame is made of grey cast iron and the double prismatic guides are hardened and ground. The guidance of the support and the top slide can be readjusted using V-ledges. The quiet main spindle gear in the headstock runs in an oil bath and the gear wheels are hardened and ground. The main spindle with camlock D1 4 inches mount and a 38mm diameter bore is guided in adjustable precision bearings. The machine is equipped with extensive package of standard accessories. In addition to a 3-jaw lathe chuck, it also includes a faceplate chuck, steady rests, thread gauge, and a quick change tool holder system. Together with the new generation of our position indicator, this equipment makes the Basic Plus precise, flexible and also productive. The operation of the X-Pos 3.2 is intuitive and guarantees quick familiarization. The associated precision rollers are mounted in a protected manner and are virtually maintenance-free. The machine base provides the necessary storage space for accessories. The tailstock is easy to move and offers a high clamping force. For taper turning, the upper part can be shifted by up to 10mm. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a large number of lathes for all production needs. Contact one of our KNUTH representatives today to guide you on the best solution.